Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I want to be showing you how to apply artistic filters to your photos in Remini application. Alright, so to apply artistic filters to your enhanced photos within Remini, basically come and open your Remini application. So when you open your Remini application, basically come to this third section which says AI tune over here. Okay, so you tap on that. So when you tap on that, come and tap on upload photo. So when you tap on upload photo, come and select a photo that you want to add the artistic filters. So I'll basically select this photo of this man over here. Alright, so I'll tap on upload. So when I tap on upload, I'll wait for it to apply. As you can see, it's applying AI style. So we wait for it. You need to be a bit patient when it's operating. Alright. So it's now done, guys. As you can see, this is how it looks like, guys. So these are the artistic filters. As you can see, you have a bunch of them over here. You can select from all of them over here. All right, so when you're done doing that, you can basically come and save your photo there. So after saving your photo, basically you find it in your gallery. All right, so thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please subscribe and leave a like on our video. We shall meet again.